Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to easily import and export products in Shopify. Whether we are moving products from another store, backing up our catalog, or updating items in bulk, this feature saves us a lot of time. Let's jump right in and see how it works. From the dashboard, we can import and export products by going to Products. Click on it on the left side of the screen. Here, we can see all our products. And right away, we will notice the import and export options in the upper right corner. Let's start by exporting our products. We have the option to export all products, or just the ones on the current page. We can also choose to export as a CSV or plain CSV file. Let's select plain CSV and then export by clicking the Export button. Let's wait for it to load. To find the exported file, we just need to click and open Gmail. It will redirect us there, and as we can see, here are our exported products. We can download them right here. We just need to click this and save the file. As we can see, it has now downloaded as a CSV. Let's check. Here is our product in Shopify. Now, to import products, we just click Import and then select a CSV file. Click Next, then add the file. In this case, we are using the file we just exported. And that's all there is to it. Exporting and importing products in Shopify is quick and straightforward. It's a simple but powerful way to manage our store more efficiently.